Welcome everyone to my FTM Fantom price prediction for April 2024. We're looking forward to discovering how does the market looks from the most rational standpoint possible. At the same time, considering we're trying to build another bullish environment, I think Fantom has a lot to benefit from there. Considering the recent retracements and the market's strong pullbacks, there is a lot of the room towards the upside, and this cryptocurrency is yet to deliver. So we would like to find out more as well. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, guys. Enjoy such videos. And before we get into the Fantom, there is a discussion on the crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. We're actually talking about a situation of a bullish environment here of a 200 days moving average confirmation, that blue line. We're also talking about an uptrending channel support line confirmation quite a couple of times. The current breakout, of course, of the minor highs here that were putting a bit of a pressure against us. We successfully broke out of that structure, and now we're actually attacking the supply zone on the high, which is forming a flat top of the triangle, and this is usually considered a continuation pattern. The ascending triangle is usually ending in another ascending movement, just like we're having this one over here, which means that we should get the market into $900 billion for this, excluding BTC and Ethereum, guys. So the big money is expected to be made in the altcoins in the upcoming period. Now, before we continue, for those of you that get inspired by trades and enjoy them, I have my BTC long. It's still holding on here. We're still riding it and having a good time around it. For those of you that would like to find out more, it's above $1.5 million. You can definitely join my trades and participate actively without any prior fees. Totally done for you, totally outsourced. With a commission paid every 7 days based on the pure profits. It's simple and straightforward, guys. You can definitely find out more. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching program. If you're serious about a crypto world and believe this can bring you financial freedom, if you believe this can give you some predictability and security of finance, then it's time basically to learn how to achieve that. It's time to learn how to trade professionally. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time, you definitely need to have a very comprehensive understanding of how does the entire process of trading works on the market. So we're going to talk about that one at the end of the video. Now it's time to share and speak out for the FTM situation out here. So the massive breakout we had was really consistent, guys, and it delivered a huge amount of resources. 20% resulted in 120% as well. 20 days resulted in 120% movement of a breakout that got stuck on number 2 extension, which is at 1.15 cents. It was pretty much obvious that once you have a such level that is so far away from the breakout point, percentage wise, we had our number 2 extension at 70% away from the breakout point of the top, which is quite high, which means that the resources are consumed during the pumps significantly, and it needs a retracement. The retracement we got was expected, and it's pretty much coming out to be quite heavy, 38% right there. We're trying to build it back up. We got a nice buying pressure put it together in these days, but still Fantom needs to create a structure here in this area that it would allow basically the markets to zigzag at some point. This is basically the candlestick you want to take out at first, and then you have two probabilities. You either get back to the 1.618 extension or you revisit the 1.414. right? So you get those two chances on which you have to bounce. You have to bounce towards the upside and attack basically the top. By attacking the top, you want to get into the wicks, have a bit of a volatility there, get back basically to the 1.05 or to the $1 mark, and then you will be able to explode at the end of the day with a such movement, of course. In order to achieve that, you cannot lose the 1.414 under any circumstances, under any conditions. With the current uptrending movement, whenever we retrace, you cannot lose this ultimate level. That ultimate level is most likely giving us a guarantee on a triple higher low structure, which is actually indicating the fact that we're accelerating towards the highs, and this is something necessary for you to achieve those highs. The triple higher low structure after the breakout, after the number 2 extension has been achieved, all these things are pretty much portraying a very good shape for the cryptocurrency. Another thing, you gotta leave time for this one, especially when we speak about altcoins. They do move in different stages. You will not see all the altcoins moving at the same time. You are going to see a variety of cryptocurrency that are performing. Meanwhile, the other ones are slowing the process down. So that's something natural. And I believe you have also seen that in the past couple of months, which is why you got to wait it out as long as you know you're in a type of cryptocurrency, which is doing a great job. You saw it delivered. It's also going to deliver in the future as well. We just got started in the bull market of the alts. We're nowhere near to being the highs of the alts. We're nowhere near to being the tops. We're nowhere near to speak about anything significant around that corner. We're actually at the beginnings of such a thing. So I wouldn't get surprised or so if BTC also is crossing this year 150 grand. I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum is pushing basically to 20 grand and such numbers that there are chances which are not small to be discovered. Imagine what's going to happen with this altcoins, guys. The order book are so thin that as soon as you get into a wild rally, things are going to be extreme. Things are going to be extreme. So it's very important for you to know how to trade that process. If you have the capability to leverage it out, if not, how to trade on spots, exactly how to accumulate more quantity of tokens by exiting on levels that are clearly reversal points and with the ability to reaccumulate the same cryptocurrency when you're in the lower places. It's not just about buying and holding and missing out around 400 to 500% more tokens by the end of the market. This is an average number that has happened throughout the bull cycle that we have been participating in spot trading, guys. So 400, 500% more tokens at the end of the bull market actually means 400, 500% more on that top that you're achieving, which is a big deal. Now, once again, you can qualify for a free call with me on the coaching if you're interested for education, or simply just check out the video to understand how does it work and reach out to register now. Enjoy, guys. We'll talk to you soon.